So today I'm gonna show you how you can make a tubic text effect. So from the toolbar, select this text tool and write the text. And from here you can change the font. Now lock this. From here, take this pen tool and draw the text curve like this. Now select it, and from the toolbar take this smooth tool and move over it so that we can get nice curve shape. This way you need to make path shape for each and every alphabets, so I already did here. Now delete the text and put a background. Take a rectangle and send it to back. Now from the toolbar, select this ellipse tool. Now press and hold Shift and Alt key on your keyboard and drag outside and make a circle. Now select this circle and from here click over gradient, click over this and change the color. Now drag this and make duplicate. Now select both by pressing and holding Shift key. Go to Object, Blend and Blend option. From here choose Specified Steps and give the steps 800 and make sure you mark this and click OK. Again go to Object, Blend and make it. So there are total how many paths we are having: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So make 8 copies by pressing and holding Alt key and then Ctrl plus T and repeat the copies. Now select this and this by pressing and holding Shift key. Go to Option, Blend and replace spine. Similarly, replace all those spines. So here you can see the difference in colors because some splines are reverse here. So select this and this, go to Object, Blend and reverse spine. Hope you like this tutorial. Support us by doing subscribe, like and share. Thank you.